We begin by installing the Autostop Eliminator into the data link connector below the dash. Once installed, the device remembers when you turn Auto Start Stop off and will work to keep it off. After cycling the ignition, we see the device maintaining the off setting. We use quality components and a straightforward approach with no negative side effects. Also, our device doesn't make any changes to the vehicle, so you don't have to worry about issues with your vehicle warranty or lease agreements. And our low-profile design stays out of sight and out of the way, which makes it a perfect solution for those who dislike auto start-stop.